Hi, my name is Micah, and thanks for joining me as we talk about another interesting topic in the world of Romtec Utilities pumping systems. Toxic chemicals and liquids with high temps and extreme pHs are being pumped every day in the world throughout many applications. Because of this, many engineers are faced with the problem of how do I safely collect the chemical and how do we pump it from point A to point B. To start, we need to truly understand what we are pumping. This understanding of the water type will directly impact the materials involved and the level of redundancy around safety that is required. To further understand what we are talking about, let's look at Romtec Utilities project directly centered around toxic chemical pumping. This system is a duplex double-wall fiberglass pumping system intended to pump chemical waste from a painting facility for a large airplane manufacturer. To start, the choice of fiberglass is crucial to the success of this system. Fiberglass is inherently resistant to harsh chemical compounds and, unlike concrete or steel, would not need an additional coating to increase its resistive properties. Secondly, the toxic chemical waste is crucial to keep contained, which is why, in this case, a double-wall fiberglass tank is required. A double-wall fiberglass tank refers to having both an inner wall and an outer wall for redundancy. In the case of this system, the tank walls are not only double-walled, but the inlet and discharge piping are double-walled as well. In the event that one of the walls of this sump is penetrated, there is redundancy to ensure that the system does not leak. This system also incorporates the use of leak detection, which serves as a third form of redundancy, monitoring the gap between the inner wall and outer wall. Should a leak occur, we are protected by the double wall and then notified of the leak so that action can be taken in order to prevent additional damage. Double wall fiberglass is the best option for any critical application or extreme pumping scenarios due to its resistive properties and robust, redundant design. The remaining aspects of the system, such as the PVC piping and valves, coated pumps, and polymer floats, are all selected to withstand the corrosive properties of the wastewater. Thanks again for joining me to discuss another aspect of Romtec Utilities pumping systems. Romtec Utilities designs and supplies systems across all water types and looks forward to hearing from you on your next pumping system project.